You see this? Yes, this. This is what you need. Pilau ya nazi and mango salsa.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, speak slow, speak fast. Not the roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
Cooking makes me feel grounded and also helps me fight my anxiety. Welcome back to my channel. It's Vera's Way, and today we're making pilau ya nazi. So sit tight and relax. Let's cook together.
Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo, pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero.
I hope this is detailed enough, but I promise I'll leave a recipe on the description box. So chill, don't go AWOL for me. I normally use basmati rice. Here's my rice. Let's cook.
Vengo a tu lado y mi vida pasa, ya lo creo, ya lo creo. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo, pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve.
By now, I know you're loving this. It's going on softly and sweet. So, let's continue. And do let me know what you think about my pilau and how I make it. Okay? Leave a comment down below.
Ver mi sueño, ver mi cielo. Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Y cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que te lleve con mi viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento.
At some point, I had to add a foil to lock in moisture. Then, after it cooked, I removed it to let the moisture out. Cooking is fun as long as you know how to cook. So we're gonna cover it and let
Veo
it.
en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro.
You see that? so filling. I swear, this pilau is yummy. Add the kachumbari, like the mango salsa, you will love it.